Hey guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing well. So welcome to our YouTube channel Technical Ubad. We are back again with a new video. So before starting the video, it's my request to make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for our further updates. So basically in today's video, we will tell you about the earning app Fiverr. We will tell you about the services which you can sell on Fiverr. So let's start the video. First of all, you simply need to come here on Play Store, and here you can find the app Fiverr. On Fiverr you can sell multiple services. You can sell more than 300 services on this platform and earn high revenue from this. So in this video we will explain how you can earn this money by selling your services. So this is our first part, and we will tell you about the services which you can easily sell on this. First of all, we have logo designs, AI artists, and logo animation, business cards and strategy, influencer marketing. Then we have web traffic. Then we have social media design. Then we have t-shirts and merchandise. Then we have social media marketing, and then we have voiceover and search engine optimization, SEO, image editing, flare design, articles and blog posts, cartoons and comics, illustration and translation, book design, scenic writing, professional and editing, music promotion, video, vector tracing, research and summaries, and many more. You can sell almost more than 300 plus services on this: research and summaries, architecture and interior design, software development, web development, visual assistant, resume writing, video editing, web banners, website design, slideshow videos, video marketing, video editing, email marketing, mobile app development, mixing and mastering, and the other transcriptions, spoken videos, convert files, and presentation designs, local SEO, procedures, composers, business plans, and many more. So in the next video we will explain how you can create account on Fiverr and how you can make your professional account to start selling on Fiverr. So stay tuned with us, subscribe our YouTube channel, also like and share this video with your friend. We can upload many more videos on the same topic. So thank you so much all of you for watching the video. Stay tuned with us. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.